Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spot bad tints. So this tint is pretty good so far. So these are what you call water bubbles. Just show you them. These big ones here. That's just normal, that's water bubbles. The ones that are dust bubbles are, try to find you one now. They've done a really good job on this so far. But you will find some dust bubbles, I'll show you them. It's mainly on this side of the car. These tiny specks of dust. These bubbles here. You see these tiny bubbles? They're dust bubbles. So they will never go. But there's minor. You barely see them. They're tiny and there's only that one corner. The rest of the tint is fine. On all the sides. So if you have loads of them, then I'd get them redone. That's dust bubbles. You can't ever get rid of them. Okay, next thing how you spot a bad tint is if it doesn't go right to the top. So as you can see, they cut it really good there. You can barely see it. But some cars they'll be cut off here. So there's a line strip. That's really bad. Okay, now with the tints on the tail lights, they're very good. But yeah, this side is coming up a bit, as you can see. So I might have to redo that. So as you can see, too much heat on that corner. I should have overlapped it, but that's a problem in it. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you spot bad tints. So two bad tints you can have is where it's cut off too high. And actually, let me put my windows down a bit. I'll show you now. Easier. So yeah, you don't want them dust particles, too many of them. Like mine only has tiny bubbles on that side, which is fine. Just quickly. 1 second, child locks on. As you can see, it's not too bad. There's a tiny gap. There's always going to be a gap. As you can see, but it's very tiny, and it's in line with this, so it's fine. I'll show you now. Can you see that tiny gap? Very tiny. So that's a good gap. That's perfect. It's not that bad. But I've seen some all the way down here. Very bad gap. So that's not bad. Let's go check out the other side. As you can see, the gap's not too bad. Okay, see with the old glasses and the tint, it's not a big difference. But if it was any bigger than that, I'd be complaining. It'd be a big problem. But yeah, that tint's fine. So yeah, so that's how you spot bad tint. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.